Bromeliads are easy growing plants. They grow extensively when find their natural habitat. Under favorable conditions of temperature, humidity and climate, no care is needed for this plant. There is one more variant of bromeliad in my garden. Will show you. This bromeliad has to be repotted. The work is pending since 6 months. First I thought the plant will revive, but it did not. So finally I will remove the dead one. It is said that after a flower bloom, every bromeliad die and before that they give birth to a baby plant. At first I did not believe because it survived so long, but not anymore. You can watch the previous episode on bromeliad just 11 months back. Link will be attached on screen. There are many species of bromeliads found in plant nurseries and show different flower, large size and color variety. They are costly even. Let's talk about the growing conditions needed. Loves too much humid condition, warmth, not very hot, not very cold temperature, provide much humidity with moderate temperature and no disturbance. Want to tell you, this is the most obedient and coolest child in my garden, having no tantrums at all. These are the other bromeliads in my garden. I will show you a close view. This is the other variety of bromeliad. The leaves are much more spiky and is much more tough than the previous one. This particular variant did not flower yet. Let's see what happens. Leaves dry due to aging and this is common. At the base, remove the dried leaves, keep the base clean. Maybe once in 4 months you will have to remove the dry leaves. This pot has 2 plants and they have multiplied. All my bromeliads are 3 years with me. They have multiplied and I have separated them in other pots which are scattered on my garden. This is the similar species which I will repot, showed you at the beginning. The plant is in a 4-inch pot and few months back this baby plant is growing beside. But the leaf structure is different. But how can it be? I don't know. Let's wait and watch. The time will say what happens. Okay friends, we'll repot the bromeliad now. Let's move on. The plant was growing well in this plastic poly bag. I suppose throwing away plastic bags which do not decompose. Rather, why not utilize the bag and do a favor to the environment? Have a look, roots did not go deep down and very easily I can separate. For growing bromeliad, use very porous and air circulated soil. Mix much coarse river sand, charcoal chips, tiny pebbles or gravels, neem extract and little amount of your garden soil. You won't believe, but it's true. It's a collection from the natural habitat, did not buy it from the plant nursery. Once I wanted to purchase a bromeliad, it was having a lovely flower. They asked me 2000 rupees Indian currency. My goodness, I did not dare to buy it. Okay, now I am done with the work. Today it did not take much time. Will not discard the dead one, will place it inside the soil if by any means it survives. Let me tell you about watering the plant. It is said that water into the cup of bromeliad plant, but I don't do so because I lost my first plant by doing so. From then I water when the soil is dry. Now let's keep the pot with the other bromeliads. They are very drought tolerant plant and can tolerate stress. I have experienced this and so I am telling you. Do not keep the plant under sunlight. Always keep the plant with other plants under bright light. The plant shows no character difference with climate change, at least not in my region. So that was all about bromeliad plant. Friends, like, share, subscribe to my channel, add your honest comments, stay connected and lots of love from Garden Hill. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.